To connect your Logitech G733 wireless headset to your Xbox One, start by ensuring your headset is fully charged and turned off. Next, go to your Xbox One and navigate to the Settings menu. Then select Devices and Accessories, and choose your Xbox One controller. Select the device type as Other Device and then select the headset option. Your Xbox One will then search for available headsets. On your Logitech G733 headset, press and hold the pairing button until the lights start flashing. This will put your headset into pairing mode. On your Xbox One, select the Logitech G733 headset from the list of available devices. Your Xbox One will then connect to your headset. Once connected, test your audio to ensure it is working correctly. You can do this by playing a game or watching a video on your Xbox One. If you encounter any issues during the pairing process, ensure that your headset is in range of your Xbox One and that there are no other devices interfering with the connection. You can also try restarting your Xbox One and headset and then attempt to pair them again. It is also important to note that the Logitech G733 headset uses a 2.4 GHz wireless connection. So ensure that your Xbox One is in a location with minimal interference from other devices. By following these steps and tips, you should be able to successfully connect your Logitech G733 wireless headset to your Xbox One and enjoy a high-quality audio experience.